Hi viewers, hope all of you will be fine. Today I am going to discuss with you what is cryptocurrency, its meaning, its definition and how does it work and few of its examples. But before starting, I must request if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it and press a bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's start. First of all, we will see the cryptocurrency's meaning and definitions. Cryptocurrency, sometimes called the crypto, is any form of the currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses the cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies do not have a central issuing or regulating authority, instead using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue the new units. Now we will see what is a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that does not rely on bank to verify transactions. It is a peer-to-peer system that can enable anywhere to send and receive the payments. Instead of being the physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world, cryptocurrency payments exist purely as a digital entries to an online database describing specific transactions. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in the public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in a digital wallet. Now we will know how does the cryptocurrency work. Cryptocurrency run on a distributed public ledger called the blockchain. A record of the transactions, updates, and held by the currency holder. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using the computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate the coins. Now we will see the few of the examples of the cryptocurrencies. The most famous is a Bitcoin. It was founded in 2009. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. The second one is Ethereum. It was developed in 2015. It is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether. If you have any question about this topic, please feel free to contact me in the comments. Thank you so much.